Hello, everyone. Welcome to the News Browse News broadcast. Stefano Zanetti, a Canadian man, has been sentenced to 15 and a half years in U.S. prison for his central role in a multi-million-dollar grandparent scam. Court documents reveal that Zanetti, 44, orchestrated a vast international fraud operation from Panama, where he maintained a lavish beachfront lifestyle. He used money stolen from vulnerable elderly victims to purchase cocaine, drive a Porsche, own boats and jet skis, and host parties. While presenting himself as a successful water sports business owner, he acted as a crucial link between Montreal-based call center scammers and bail bondsmen who collected money across the U.S. Despite numerous arrests of his money collectors, Zanetti remained undeterred, believing he was safe in Panama. Zanetti was ordered to pay over $700,000 US in restitution. This report is from Radio-Canada International. Premier Doug Ford is facing a defamation lawsuit from the Quds committee following remarks he made ahead of their annual rally last month. Ford took to social media, describing the event as a breeding ground for hate and anti-Semitism, and stated he had instructed the Attorney General to seek an injunction to prevent the march. However, a court dismissed the government's request less than an hour before the rally, noting a lack of evidence that previous events had incited hatred or resulted in criminal charges. Following the court's decision, Ford reiterated his comments, prompting the committee to announce legal action, calling his words hurtful. Ford's office has confirmed they stand by his statements and will not retract them. Al-Quds Day, established in 1979 by Iran's Ayatollah Ruhollah Khomeini, is an annual event expressing solidarity with Palestinians and opposition to Israel's control of Jerusalem. This report is from City News Everywhere. The Canadian press reports that Meta Platforms is rolling out an incognito mode for WhatsApp users engaging with its AI chatbot, a move designed to alleviate privacy concerns surrounding sensitive data shared in these conversations. This new feature ensures messages are processed in a secure environment inaccessible even to Meta itself. Critically, these incognito chats will not be saved by default and will automatically disappear once a session is exited. This initiative follows growing scrutiny of generative AI systems, which are trained on vast datasets that often include personal user information. Rival platforms like Google's Gemini and ChatGPT already offer comparable privacy controls, such as disabling chat history and opting out of data usage for AI model training. Meta's head of WhatsApp, Will Cathcart, emphasized that the mode includes safety features to prevent the chatbot from addressing harmful topics, instead guiding users towards helpful information or ceasing interaction. Users will be limited to text-based questions and responses with no image upload or generation, and must confirm they are over 13. Wall Street experienced mixed trading on Wednesday, navigating the impact of another discouraging inflation report alongside a recovery in technology stocks. The S&P 500 saw a slight dip, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average fell, but the Nasdaq Composite managed a modest gain, buoyed by the tech sector. NVIDIA, a key player in the artificial intelligence boom, notably rose by 2.4%, offering significant upward momentum. This tech recovery comes after a recent halt in AI-driven stock excitement. The Canadian press reports that the broader market faces mounting pressure due to inflation, which was worse than expected at the wholesale level last month, following accelerating consumer inflation, rising fuel, transportation and food prices, exacerbated by tariffs and the war with Iran, have tempered hopes for interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve this year, with a potential rate hike now seeming more likely. A 73-year-old man tragically died following an e-bike collision in Pickering on Monday, as confirmed by Durham Regional Police. The incident took place just after 3 p.m. in the area of Woodview Avenue, south of Finch Avenue. The man was reportedly traveling southbound on Woodview Avenue when he struck a gravel pile, causing him to be ejected from his e-bike. He sustained life-threatening injuries and was immediately rushed to a local hospital where he was later pronounced dead. The identity of the man has not been released. Authorities are currently investigating the circumstances surrounding the fatal collision. This report is from City News Everywhere. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.